In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud Photos. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your experience, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's begin by turning on iCloud Photos. This is your first step to ensuring all your precious photos and videos are kept safely in the cloud, accessible from any of your Apple devices. Start by going to your device's settings, then tap on your name at the top of the screen. Next, navigate to the iCloud settings and select Photos. Here, you'll want to toggle the option that says sync this iPhone or sync this iPad to the ON position. Once this is done, your entire collection of photos and videos will be uploaded to iCloud, freeing you from the worry of losing them if something happens to your device. Now that your photos are syncing, it's time to choose the best storage option for your needs. Tap on Optimize iPhone Storage. What this clever feature does is save space on your device by storing full resolution photos in iCloud and keeping smaller, more optimized versions on your device. This way you can access high quality images when you need them without eating up your device's storage capacity. With iCloud Photos all set up, you can view your photos on any Apple device. Simply use the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. If you're on a PC or don't have access to a mobile device, you can still reach your photos through any browser. Just visit iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID, then click on Photos. It's convenient to have all your photos and videos accessible, whether you're using your personal computer or borrowing a friend's laptop. Uploading and downloading photos has never been easier. Use the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad to automatically add new photos to iCloud. Any changes made, like deleting or editing, will sync across all devices sharing the same Apple ID. For those using a computer, iCloud.com is where you can easily upload images from your computer to the cloud or download them to your local storage. Your iCloud Photos experience doesn't stop there. One of the most powerful features is that all changes sync automatically. This means whenever you edit, delete, or add new photos, those changes reflect in real time across all your Apple devices. It's effortless and ensures that you always have the most up-to-date version of your photo library. And just like that, you're all set. iCloud Photos is a secure and convenient way to keep your memories safe, organized, and instantly available wherever you are. Thanks for watching, and happy picture taking.